Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, I will teach you how to use the if-else control statement in Java programming language. In every programming language, whether it is C, C++, Java, C#, PHP, Fortran, COBOL, or Visual Basic, there is a conditional statement. Conditional statements are very important in any programming language because it makes our program intelligent in making decision. So here, I will teach you guys how to declare if statement, and then from there on, you will know how to use it in your program in a very simple manner. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much for our new subscribers and then my present subscriber in my channel. We are growing gradually. I am very grateful that you are supporting my channel very much. I want to spread learning to all my avid followers, subscribers to my channel. So learning is fun, especially in computer programming. It develops our problem solving skills, and then it makes our brain active. So before we start writing the code, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. So I'm here in my Java IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So I can select new class and then public stubs to auto-generated, and then we have here if else statement. This will be the the name of our class. Click the finish button, so it generates automatically the blueprint of our code. So there's no need for us to declare this code. It is already auto-generated if you are using Eclipse as your integrated development IDE or text editor or NetBeans. So here you can start writing code here. Let's say for example Boolean learning true. Okay, so Boolean means true or false. Either true or false. If learning, we have already the value here is true. Sorry, I have a cough. System out point print I like Java programming. Okay, if the statement is true. Else if it is false, let's say for example I like to eat pizza. Very simple. Okay, so here we are already done. So here, let me explain. I declare a variable learning. Boolean means true or false. Learning variable, and then we assign true. When we run our program, it will display a message, I like Java programming. But if it is false, I like to eat pizza. In this case, I set a value true. So we're expecting the first statement in our if else statement will be execute, I like Java programming. Okay, so let us run the code. See, as you can see on the screen, it display the message, I like Java programming. But if we change this one, Boolean learning, into false, and then we save our work, it will display the false statement or the second statement in the else statement, in our if else statement, I like to eat pizza. When we run, see, I like to eat pizza. So if we return this value instead of false, true, we run the first statement that I like Java programming. So basically the if else statement in Java is very easy to understand, no? So if the value is true, the first statement will be executed, but if the value given is false, the second statement, the else statement, will be executed. I hope that you have learned in this very short tutorial how to declare, use effectively the if else statement in Java programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming computer programming tutorials. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.